Good morning, everyone. So, I am going to tackle about the patterns and sequences of, or rather, arithmetic and geometry. What is sequence? A sequence is a list of number that follow a certain rule or pattern. So, from the word itself, sequence. So, it is like gani pasunod-sunod nga kanang form sa content. An example ana is 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Next is 3, 6, 9, and 12. So, dili na lang ko ni basahon like kanitanan, but these are the sequence where each number increase 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now, let's have arithmetic sequence. Arithmetic sequence of numbers where each terms is obtained by adding or subtracting the same constant value, called the common difference. Now, let's move on to geometric sequence, a sequence of numbers where each terms are obtained by multiplying or dividing the same constant value, called the common ratio. Now, arita sa example sa arithmetic sequence. 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. So, the common difference of this is plus 2. Kay 2 plus 2 is equals to 4. 4 plus 2 is equals to 6, while 6 plus 2 is equals to 8. 8 plus 2 is equals to 10. Let's move on sa kanang ikaduhang example where 2 ay 10, 8, 6, 4, and 2. So, sa arithmetic sequence, as what kanang naistorya na ko ganina, is that pwede siya sa adding or subtracting. So, ang ato ang kuan diri is minus 2. Because 10 minus 2 is equals to 8. 8 minus 2 is equals to 6. Then 6 minus 2 is equals to 4. And lastly, 4 minus 2 is equals to 2. Sa third niya example is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Ang atoa ang common difference ani is ang kanang plus 5, which kanang kuan 5 plus 5 is equals to 10, and 10 plus 5 is equals to 15, and 15 plus 5 is equals to 20.
안녕하세요. So, good morning everyone. So, today I'm going to report about the simplifying algebraic expression. So, simplifying algebraic expression means making them shorter and easier to work with. Combine like terms and use basic rules, such as the distributive property. For example, 3x plus 5x minus 2. So, we're going to solve that. So, 3x plus 5x. So, 3 plus 5 equals 8. So, that's why we have 8x. And copy the minus 2. So, then the final answer is 8x minus 2. So, simplifying makes algebra problems clearer and easier to solve. So, for example, 3x plus 2 plus x 5 plus 5x plus 4. So, add the coefficients numbers in front of the variable. So, the variable numbers are 3x plus 5x. So, 3 plus 5 equals 8x. Add the constant. So, 2 plus 4 equals 6. So, the final answer is 8x plus 6. So, another example. 4y plus 3 plus 2y minus 5. So, add the y terms, which is 4y plus 2y. So, 4 plus 2 equals 6. 6y. So, add the constant, which is 3 minus 5. So, 3 minus 5 equals negative 2. So, the final answer is 6y minus 2. Negative 2 minus 2.
So, simplifying algebraic expression. An algebraic expression is a combination of numbers. So, ang numbers mo na siyang gitawag og constant. Kung na siya mga letters mo na gitawag og variables. So, mathematical So in mathematical, we have four arithmetic signs. So the subtraction, the addition, the multiplication, and the division. So you have to combine the same variables. Then i-add ra nimo ang constant kung unsang gigamit niya nga mathematical equation. Okay?
안녕하세요. Today I would like to report about writing and interpreting algebraic formulas. So, first let us define algebra. Algebra uses letters and symbols to represent numbers. Writing and interpreting formulas helps us describe and solve real-life problems in a simple way. So, unsay term sa letters sa algebra? Unsay term ato? Naka-remember? Okay. Ang term sa letters in algebra is variables. Then, for the numbers, constant. Now, let's move on to writing algebraic formulas. When we say writing algebraic formulas, it is when we turn the word problems into numbers or constant and variables. We have some steps here in order to achieve this. Number 1, understand the problem. Of course, before we get to write the constant, we need to understand the problem first. Kaya unsa man ninyo pagsuwat kung wala mo kasabot. Number 2, choose your variables. Variables refers to letters. So instead of example, total cost. Instead of writing the whole word total cost, you can just use letter C that stands for cost here. Number 3, identify operations. So each problem, nagi na siya operations. You just need to use your critical thinking to para makuha nimo kung unsa ang operations imong gamiton. And lastly, write the formula. I have prepared here some examples. Number 1, C equals N times P. Unsa kay meaning ani nilang tulo? Dara. Instead of writing the whole word yun nga, total cost, number, price, imo na lang siya isuwat, pinaagi sa mga letters. C stands for the total cost, N stands for the number, and P stands for the price. And ang formula mo ni siya ang whole formula sa total cost. Kung inyong kuhaon ang total cost sa isa ka butang, you will just use the number. Example, 5 ball pens. Mao na ang use mo sa number. Then sa price, kay tag-G's ang ballpen kada isa. So 10 times 5 is equal to 50. So ang total cost niya is 50. Then this one, P equals 4S. P stands for the perimeter of a square. And then we all know that square has same sides, 4 sides, and equals niya siya tanan. So 4S na yung gamiton. Example, the sides of a square is 8. So 4 times 8 is equal to 32. Therefore, the perimeter of the square